Busha for Yamia. Obetu a message from the Vim Powerhouse, aka Otafrija. No baka wire, no tata for Yanya, Vim Yai, no my Joseph Vim Yazo. Won't Yasiana, and Penifua, Mone Mekasa, day in and day out. I am one for me chiamina. Say, Sabu, a manim and a pair you masem yetiawa se video we se onsaka bia wosuma wunya na wunya enwosuma ni nua na di nua nwosuma ni nua na mo ka che wunya se obetu wa se yen send sa message we na koka Ghana NPP empanimfo nsa na wo mo emfa wo mo na ensi fom emisa mensaka audio bi na audio ni mu nsem a ewo mu nyina ne se they are planning to create misunderstanding among NPP party. Emi say obetu am yobia se saka esi baby a eya na mempenisa me be asundie hima. Na audio ndi musem de nyina se eye 15th year edi eye ni man. O ma ye posters a o mo de ba bonten. Ebe ka kire Ghana for say Dr. Mahmoud Abaumia and the next candidate of NPP, which is Yena Yenimuno. Yenya who is a NPP, Mr. Alan Chamatin, and now say a Dr. Baumiana Eba, because Ekufuado or ye elected second term African my any start adwin saade no e was here adwin oman mpuntu ene ne nkoso first but saade ya wo mo plan no ebema Alan Chamati eso peters bedwa ena Bawumia nso nkrof mo so se ekoba se NPP for ekoyi Alan Chamati na se ankoye Bawumia se ne abeto abonten na the saka any oyeni ebeba party nim obetu I'm not NPP, I'm not NDC, I'm a woman of peace and wisdom. When I see fire me firefighter people say me dum jano na edi asumbieba enti 15th March ya edi nimi 2021 se mu se any posters circulate about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, my sister, my brother, is not true. Audio no, my investigating and I mean, say if NDC for camp, and I say if NPP for an air plot to the I don't know. My investigating from NRA, and me say answers no, and Jimmy case any mame, and Tina I was say, at the time we see here, and that was and any 15th na ekwanwa entina wo se me ye video na me tujatum na me kire Ghana for se bibi sei na eba momye so de nyina na politicians omo de ya adwen edi agorodo me se frɛ me sen obatu a Vim Powerhouse obetia follow me obatu a multimedia ewo YouTube and Facebook Instagram and one obatu a the Vim Powerhouse ba ko pe medama se apoche
The Baum, yes. We are coming with a strategic plan. You see, this movement is very great movement. Its kind has never popped up in Ghana before. We are the first to bring such a giant movement in Ghana. So we have to make it so big so that the very moment we come out, people see us as giant, as Kakai, and as lion. So, as we are preparing to have our first meeting and press conference to introduce to Ghanaians and the world over our national executives, our regional executives, and our constituency executives, we are setting the pace by testing the pulse. We want to test people's reaction towards the movement and our candidate, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. So what we are intend to do is that 15th of this month, that's March 2021, 15th of this month, March 2021, we are going to post posters across Ghana at every vantage point. When I say vantage point, I mean where people pass so much so that they will see the posters. After we have posted the posters, we keep quiet, stay in our places, and then open our ears to listen to the reactions, what people will be saying about it. All that they are going to say about it, you have to pick it, then you bring it to the national executives for planning, proper planning. The message will help us plan. So, this is the duty of the operation managers across Ghana, across all the regions. The operation managers. National operation manager will lead all the regional operation managers. And if by the time we are going to execute this plan, the constituency executives are being appointed, then it will involve constituency operation managers too, down to polling station operation managers. These posters must go everywhere at once. It's not a matter of maybe, let me continue, I don't want it to be too long. We are not going to do it so that maybe Ashanti region do this today, then tomorrow. No, we are going to do it simultaneously. If let's say 15th, that day, if we are to dispatch to the streets or to where we are going to post the posters at, let's say, 12 midnight, it takes place in all the regions. So the executives whose name have been mentioned will find some people who will do the posting for us. Hire some people, mobilize some funds. That's why we have appeal for funds coordinators there. Or even the executives you can sponsor. What matters is in every person that you are going to use to see to do the posters and post it in towns. You take records of that. In appropriate time, the movement shall refund all to you. Shall refund all to you. So we must be resourceful as we are building the movement. So, that is it. The operations managers, the chairman, the organizers, and their deputies. As I'm talking about, if I make mention of the substantive, it involves their deputies. I've already tapped it, so I don't want to waste my time mentioning it to make the audio too long. Do you understand? So, we are doing the design. We are doing the poster design. We have hired somebody to do the design for us. After the design is ready, we will make it in a PDF form and circulate it across the platforms. When it gets to you, the PRO, the chairman have to assign the PRO and then the organizer and their deputies to work on the posters. You take the PDF, you go to printing house, and you print, let's say, from 50 to 200. From 50 to 200, or as much as you can produce, but at least, it should be 200 copies. At least 200 copies. Every region how to produce 200 copies of the posters. So after you have done the 200 copies of the posters, then you find a way of posting it in towns. Find a way of posting it in towns. Post it at places where big men, businessmen, those who believe they are important in the community pass. so that they can see it. Get closer to, if you know it may be FM station or whatever at your vicinity, get closer to that station and post them there. After you have posted it, you keep quiet. The following day, you are not going to show up for people to see that Mr. A or Mr. B or Mr. W did the posting. No. Never allow anybody knows who posted the posters. You are just testing the pause and be listening to what people are going to say about it. So that is the operation. And it will take off on 15th of this month. 15th of this month. As soon as the poster, the design is ready, you post it across the posters. You post it across. Even this information is, that we are sending to you, it should remain on only the regional platforms. It should remain on only the regional platforms. Don't send it on the general platform, because the general platforms, there might be some spies and insiders in it. As soon as you put it down there, they will carry it out. They will carry it out. So let it remain on the national and regional platforms. And you can also send it to your various regional executive platforms. So we are posting it on national and regional executive platforms, and then your various regional executive platforms, so that you plan on how you are going to do it. Thank you very much. This is your chairman, national chairman, Duncan Opoku Boateng.